Responsive design. I know it's fun to resize your web browser and see which sites resize gracefully and which sites remain defiantly large with gross horizontal scroll bars. But responsive design is not just for the web. Today, the lines between phones and tablets are disappearing, so it's important to think about how your UI will scale in our multi-screen world. Don't be overwhelmed. Just like designing responsive layouts for the web, build your layouts to be reasonably flexible for within a common device size. Well, then you can set breakpoints, providing alternative layouts for those various sizes. Think about it this way: small phone, large phone, medium tablet, and large tablet. Frame layout, linear layout, and constraint layout are three of the most common layouts you use when building out your UI. Now, these all descend from the view group class, designed to contain and give order to child views. They each have their strengths, and you should always try to use the simplest layout that will get the job done. Frame layout is great for simple layouts when you only have one child view, like a list view that fills the entire content area. If you add multiple items to it, they will overlap. You can tell it to position other views relative to itself, such as in the upper right-hand corner or lower left-hand corner. Linear layout is perfect for stacking views vertically or horizontally one after another. It also has powerful features to break up the display proportionally. Constraint layout is powerful, but a bit more complicated compared to the others. Throw a bunch of views inside a constraint layout, then you configure each view's position relative to the parent, the constraint layout, or to sibling views. Tons of possibilities. We'll explore these layouts in greater detail when we build more complex screens.